Hi paper crafters, welcome to another Joe Tips video. I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Today I have another Joe Tips video for you, and what I want to show you is how you can take a stamp like this and turn it into words that are long that you can cut apart. So it's actually quite easy using something that you probably have in your supply drawer at home. So let's get started. One of the things I love about making your own cards is that you have control over what it looks like. So if you have stamps that are more like these ones here, and you want them to be more like these ones, there's a way that you can do it that's actually quick and simple. So what we need is some tape. We need our stamp, and I've done the Hope This Card Makes You Smile, your piece of paper, and your ink pad. And you also need a cleaner. That's really important that you have your simple chamois with you or a cleaner of some kind. So what we're going to do is take a piece of tape, and what we do is we actually put tape over the parts we don't want to see. So this time I just want to stamp Hope. So I'm going to put the tape over the bottom part, and I'm going to need 2 pieces for this one. So it's covered up completely, anything here. And now I'm just going to take my Hope part and put that into my stamp pad. I could put it right in top, but just so it's a little less messy, I'm going to put it down near the bottom so I don't get ink on the entire part of the tape. So the tape is just hiding it so that you're not going to get it on any of the words. Now this is the really important part to this technique. Remove that tape. And I have done it before where I have not removed the tape. So that's experience. So here we go. We're just going to stamp the Hope. So just like normal, and you've got that down there. And now another important part is that you need to clean in between. So pull out your simple chamois, clean it off, make sure there isn't any green showing on the Hope anymore. And then we're going to go on and do the next part. Turn it right side up. And we need 2 pieces of tape. And this time we're going to go over the You Smile because I only want to see This Card Makes, and I'm also going to go over top of the Hope. Okay, so I've just got that little part in the middle that I'm going to ink up. Same thing, ink it up. Now you'll see you get ink on that top one quite a bit. Take it off and stamp it down. Now I'm going to cut this apart, so I'm not so worried that I'm going to be really close. So I'm just going to stamp that. And I'm going to get rid of my tape in between. And again, I'm going to clean. And now I'm going to do the last part, and I'm going to take 2 pieces of tape, and I only want the You Smile this time. So I'm going to go right over the top. I know I need to, right down to the Makes. And you have to be really careful that you do get right along the bottom. And this time I'm just going to ink up that bottom part again. And again, the important part, take that off. You Smile then goes here. Okay, so I've got all of those there. I'm going to clean my stamp again, and then I'm going to cut those apart and put them on my card. And that's it. I hope you found this tip helpful and that it's one that you can use to make your stamping life a little more versatile, where you can take words like this and make them like that. You have control over your stamping. So thanks very much for watching. If you've got a paper crafting question niggling at you, drop me a line at joe@designwithjoe.ca. And if you're not yet on my mailing list, hop on over to www.designwithjoe.ca and get yourself signed up. You get a free gift when you do. Thanks very much. Have a great paper crafting day.